locusts here. You can see some of them are. There's the guy. He's still living, but on the bad end of it. We're in Ohio, and there's an outbreak every, I think it's 17 years. These things are making their noise, doing their thing, and that's pretty interesting. You can hear them up in the trees, can't really see them, but you can see some of them flying around. Let you listen to the locusts. I'm out here in the backwoods of Ohio, southeastern, and it's pretty noisy out here. I'm loving it. On a little dirt bike today. A little lesson about nature. These things are loud. That's when they rub their wings together. There you little locust. This guy's name is Larry. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we'll see you.